Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Inventory your servers, IP ranges, and services so you know what to protect. Once done, provision an edge layer. Use a cloud edge or CDN with native rate limiting and load balancing to absorb volumetric traffic. Make sure logging, time synchronization, and a separate admin network are configured for forensic clarity. You do this now so subsequent rules and automated responses have reliable telemetry and isolation to act upon. Next, implement layered filtering and behavioral controls to stop attacks in motion. Start at the edge with IP reputation lists, geoblocks, and ACLs to drop obvious bad traffic quickly. Then apply rate limits, connection tracking, and SYN cookies to harden TCP handshakes. Once those basics are live, add behavioral rules that detect anomalies and trigger challenge pages or JavaScript challenges. This separates bots from browsers. Make sure to tune thresholds against your baseline so legitimate users. Finally, complete the build by automating mitigation playbooks and failover paths so your stack responds without manual steps. Configure scrubbing centers or upstream syncs for high-volume events and ensure health checks and route failover are tested. Monitor dashboards and set alert thresholds tied to specific mitigations, and run post-attack forensics to refine rules. If something breaks, a quick troubleshooting step is to roll back new throttles and whitelist known good IP ranges while you diagnose the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.